Working on a customer's Mazda today. She brought it over complaining that it was leaking oil. I put my finger back there to see if the CV axle was all the way in there. It had a gap about that much. And I was like, okay, maybe the axle popped out. Maybe it wasn't put all the way in there correctly. Well, let me show you what I found. Let me just walk the shop here real quick. Make a long story short, the axle, here it is, the CV axle. Somebody removed the snap ring, or there's a C-clip that goes around here. And when you push the axle, the CV joint in, this snaps in there to prevent this from traveling back and forth. So I think what happened was, since it was a quick lube place and not a regular shop, maybe somebody inexperienced, I don't know, thought, well, let me just pop this thing off. It's preventing me from getting in there. I've never seen somebody get it without it. And if they did, they should have matched it up prior before they put it in. So they removed it. Of course, it's going to slide right in. But now every time you make a turn, this is going to move back and forth just a little bit, enough to wear out the seal, enough for it just to drip a little bit. I'm really surprised it didn't come all the way out and leave her stranded. But I think they removed it. I looked inside the transmission, seen no metal in the pan, no metal inside the differential area. So make a long story short, this is the problem, you know. Replace the seal, put a new C-clip on the end, call it a day. All right, YouTube, let me know what you guys think out there. And basically, have you ever seen this before when you guys were working on cars? Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share.